Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, it is another video on the Nintendo Switch Lite. You could see my Zamazenta and Zacian Switch Lite on the left with my Pro Controller, but the one in question for this video is going to be once again my newest pickup, which is the Dialga and Palkia Switch Lite. And for today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and installation of a case and some Joy-Con covers for just for like the thumb pads, because first of all, they look really cool, and I do like protecting the Switch, especially because, you know, you pay at least $200 for it, so might as well try to protect your purchase and have it in the best condition so that you could always play it and know that it's being protected. So basically, let's get into the next part, which is going to be the unboxing of the accessories that I did buy for my Nintendo Switch Lite. Funny thing is, I went with this case for my other Switch Lite and I liked it so much that I decided to get it again. This one is called Day Up, and it comes with two tempered glass screen protectors, and then it has the little thumb grips, their paw themed. But anyways, let's open this up, and this is exactly how it came the last time. There's nothing else in here, so you could see that this case is for both the front and back, which is why I was enticed to get this one, because I wanted to protect not only the back of the Nintendo Switch Lite but the front as well. And I got clear because all my Switch Lites are Pokemon themed and their design's actually on the back, so instead of covering it up, I always go with a case that actually still showcases it while protecting the actual product. So so this is the front plate. As you can see, they put the screen protectors and everything in there so that, you know, it's all compact. They have the cleaning wipes. That's really handy. A little microfiber cloth. The little Joy-Con thumb thingies. I'm not going to be using these ones because the other package I have has the ones I'm going to be using, and you guys are going to really like it because it does go with the theme of the Switch Lite. But anyways, these, I'm kind of lazy, so I'm not going to use them, but they do have them. But as you can see, this plate goes over like that, but you can see that it's missing the screen part. So before you put this on, you should make sure to apply the screen protector. At least that's the order I go. You don't have to necessarily, but that's what I'm going to be doing. Right, so it comes with two of them, so it's really nice of them to add two, because technically you only need one. So as you see, this sticker, it tells you what orientation it's facing. So this one is the back, so you peel it off from here, you peel it off from this area, and you place it onto the Switch. You know, you see right here. So since this is the back, you would peel it off from this side, and be careful not to touch the back because that is what's going over the screen. So I'm going to try to do this as best as I can on camera, but you line it up the best of your ability, right? Oh, this is tough. This is tough. I think, yeah, that was pretty spot on. And you just hope for no bubbles. I'm really hoping, please, none, please. Uh-oh. So I did it bad, and as you can see, there's bubbles here, but we should have a way to get rid of those. I had to mess with it a little bit, but now you can see there's no air bubbles. You do see me in the reflection, so you can kind of see my camera setup and all that. But if you look at it, oh, please focus. Well, anyways, you can see right here there's no bubbles, right? So sometimes you kind of have to mess with it. You have to peel it off again and then reapply it, but we're gonna get on to putting the actual cover on now, so let's get to that. The hardest part of the install is done, which is the screen protector. At least for me, that is always the hardest part. So let's now get into putting on the actual hard case. So luckily for me, this one retains all the original openings and buttons, and it basically snaps on like you just saw. So you can see it still retains the game card slot, the headphone jack, your power on, and also the volume switches. It retains the openings for the buttons. The buttons are all accessible here. You can see the top, bottom, side, underneath for the charging, and for the SD card or micro SD slot. But this is what it looks like on the back, and as you can see, it still retains the design on the back, which is what I wanted. That's why I went for the clear case, and it's very sleek. So, you know, honestly, we can also look at this other one because I'm rocking the same one, but this one you can't see the design as well because it doesn't have any like color contrast like the Dialga and Palkia one. But this is basically the case that I've used for all my Nintendo Switch Lites, and they haven't given me any problems. It gives a good amount of protection while still letting the design of the Switch Lite, you know, come out and shine. Even, I mean, honestly, if you have any of the Switch Lites that have this, the Pokemon themed ones especially, you should definitely try to consider getting a clear case, because you still want them to, you still want to see, you know, you want to see the design and decal of it. But anyways, let's get onto the thumb covers, and then we'll be almost done with the video. Last thing, and get those thumb covers on there, because like I said, I'm not using these. They're nice, but I already have them on the Zamazentization one, so I wanted to go with something different, and we have the Pokeball themed ones. It's really nice. I wanted to do these ones because, you know, all my Switch Lites are the Pokemon themes ones, so why not get the thumb grips. This one is called Pokeball theme, so it's not trying to get any copyright obviously, but we both, all of us know that it's supposed to be Pokeball. Anyways, so I'm gonna go with the red one, the original design. Just fit it on there. It should go on relatively smooth. Let's see, just make sure to go with the full rotation. Almost, I think it's almost on there. Let's see. So getting these on is a little bit difficult. I think this one is fully on. Yep. So you can see this is the Pokeball and this is the regular one. It's not a huge like accessory or anything, but I think it does spice up your Nintendo Switch, and it's fun to look at, and it kind of protects it, because, you know, it's another cover onto the Joy-Con, so can't really hurt. Just a little bit difficult to put on just because you have to wrap it all the way around. But let me know if you guys are running any of these on your Switches, because this isn't just only for Switch Lites. This works for any Switch because it's just the thumb cover part. This one's actually giving me a lot more problems. It's not going on. It's been a long day, and typically I do these unboxings at night. I wanted to do this one during the day, but the thumb grips didn't come until like 7 p.m. So obviously with the daylight savings, it's already dark by like 5:30, so that wasn't gonna work out. So that's the end of the video. As you can see, my Palkia and Dialga Switch Lite is finally fully protected. I'm not gonna lie, I have not turned this on. The first turn on is gonna be, the first time I turn it on is going to be when I get Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl. But hopefully you guys like this video. The next one is gonna be the unboxing of Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl, and then probably do a first startup of the game as well and setup of the Switch itself. But yeah, other than that, I will leave the links in the description for these products if you want to buy it, and hope to see you guys in the next upload.